Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a question on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, for adding a question, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. And from here you can see here many things. And then here on the right, you can see a plus symbol, and on the right side of and click on that, and from here you can just add the question that you wanted. And after writing the question, here you can see option number 1. From here you can just add the options, and if you want another option then you can do that. So this is how you can add a question on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.